Hello friends, welcome to Dreams Junction, and in this video I'm going to make India's map in just 25 seconds. It's my first tutorial video, so now let's start making map. So you can see that from where I started making it, because when I don't know how to make this map, I was so much worried that from where I start and where I end this map. So you can see that how I'm making it. It's not so much difficult what we think. Once you will understand that how to make it, then you can easily make it in just few seconds. You can see that how easily I made it. So I did it. So in next clip I will explain you that how to draw it and how to learn this map in just 4 steps. I also learned this map in just 4 steps. So now let's start it. So step first is you have to draw one line vertical and one line horizontal like this. And in next step, step number 2, you have to do the same thing again, and then you have to make a outline of India's map like this, what I made. It's so much easy, you can easily make it. And in step number 3, you have to do the same thing again. In this step I will give India's map final shape. So you have to start from the upper part, which is Kashmir area. You can see this area in map, real map. Just see it carefully. And next we will do, so you can see that how I am making it. So you have to let some space down. This is Nepal area, and then you have to draw like this. This is Sikkim area, and now you have to make a portion. I think that I made it so long, but you will note it down that you don't have to make like this. Then you have to make Rajasthan area, then run of Kutch area like this, and then you have to end here. And in the final 4th step we have to make like this. We don't have to draw these lines, we have to just make India's map like this, what I'm making. You can see that how I'm making it. See it carefully. While you will see India's map carefully, you will automatically put the outlines in your mind or in your eye. You will picturize that map, and it will be easy to you to make this map. I think that you will get it how to make it. You can easily gain good marks by making this map in your examination. So I think you got it how to draw it. If you have any queries or doubt, you can ask me in comments or on my Telegram or Insta account. Thank you for watching.